The Secret Wealth of Ronald Read. In a quiet town lived a man most people would never notice. He wore simple clothes, drove a used car, worked as a janitor, and later as a gas station attendant. No Ivy League degree, no high-paying corporate job, no spotlight. But when he died, he left behind something that stunned everyone: $8 million. His name was Ronald Read. Ronald didn't inherit wealth. He didn't build a startup. He didn't get rich overnight. What he did was far less exciting and far more powerful. He saved, he invested, and he repeated those habits for decades. We're often told that building wealth requires elite education, special intelligence, or insider knowledge. But Ronald Read's story turns that idea upside down, because wealth, it turns out, is less about what you know and more about what you do consistently. Ronald practiced what we could call financial soft skills, not technical brilliance, not complex strategies, just behaviors: living below his means, avoiding unnecessary debt, investing regularly, being patient when others were not. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people already know the basics of money: spend less than you earn, save consistently, invest for the long term. But knowing isn't the hard part. Doing it again and again, year after year, is. Financial success is not a test of IQ. It's a test of behavior. It's resisting lifestyle inflation when your income grows. It's staying calm when markets fall. It's choosing consistency over excitement. Ronald didn't outperform the market. He didn't time it perfectly. He simply stayed in the game long enough for time to do the heavy lifting. And that's the part most people underestimate. Wealth rarely explodes overnight. Usually, it builds quietly, then suddenly. Years of small, disciplined decisions compound into something extraordinary. And here's the real lesson. Your financial future is not determined by where you went to school or how smart you are, but by your habits. Can you delay gratification? Can you stay consistent when it gets boring? Can you stick to a plan when everyone else is chasing trends? That's the real skill. Ronald Read didn't look wealthy. He didn't act wealthy. But he understood something most people miss. Wealth is built in the background of your life through small, repeated actions. Financial success is a behavior, not a talent. And that means it's a skill almost anyone can learn.